So this was covered with brush, some saplings, mulberry, other junk trees. So we got bushes. So we took all the bushes out, some dead trees, and that kind of a thing. Thinned it out a little bit. We got the chickens in here. These are the meat birds and a handful of turkeys. So hopefully they'll find some bugs, they'll eat some stuff up, and have a good time doing so. This will free up our backyard a little bit because they were in the backyard, and we'll see if it helps the grass grow with all their wonderful fertilizer. So we'll see how many get out sooner than later and go from there.